Good day, this is Neil from Paramount Enterprises, your premier telecommunications company in London. If you're listening to us now, you must have a business owner, company director, operations director, or facilities manager who are considering what's the best technology and platform to upgrade your present communication system. Before you leave this video, you will see why Paramount will give you a couple of reasons on the routes to take and what you need to do before you make that final decision. Why can Paramount Enterprises give you that advice? Because we've been in telecommunications from the deregulation of British telecoms, and Mercury were first allowed into the marketplace. And from then, we've stayed abreast of the leading edge technologies within our industry. And it's helped customers both small, medium and large. Some of our biggest customers include VOIP and Paramount. Yeah. Two things you need to do, all of you, before you even consider paying for any hardware or any kit. You need to run a thorough network analysis of your current network infrastructure to make sure it is able to run the new system that you're trying to implement. Secondly, you have to have a clear vision of where you're looking to take your company to make sure that the right technology is then implemented into your business for both now and in the future, so that you future-proof your next purchase. If you would like to get that network analysis from Paramount Enterprises, or you'd like to get some more advice on the best way for you as an organization to move to make the correct decisions, please visit us at www.paramountenterprises.co.uk, complete the contact form, and we will then give you a 30 minutes analysis of your current switch setup and advise you what is best for you moving forward. If you can't wait to go to our website, then do this best thing. Call us now, 020-3488-1159. With our experts be waiting to speak to you and to make your transition into a new communication platform run as smoothly as possible. Look forward to doing business with you very soon. Have a great day. Goodbye. Suitable time for your company's analysis. I look forward to welcoming you lot as one of our customers very shortly. Till then, have a great day, keep smiling, and know that a return on your investment on your digital marketing advertising spend is just around the corner. So from Neil at Paramount Enterprises, wishing you a great day, and I'm sure we're going to be speaking very soon. Take care. Goodbye.